Testing. The travel is real. Mic test.
1, 2, 3. Podcast testing. The travel is real. Mic test. Testing.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I am the host of The Travel is Real, a podcast about hearing exciting, captivating, and unique stories from travelers all around the world. The experiences range from good, bad, to just plain weird. We aim to entertain, and also we seek to educate. So you might learn a thing or two, and it might help you get out of a bad situation. So I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you out there. Cheers!